Revolutionizing construction, the power of prefab modular technology. Construction has always been a time-consuming and expensive process. But today, there's a game changer in the industry: prefab modular construction. Prefab modular construction involves building various components of a structure off-site, in a controlled factory environment. These components, or modules, are then transported to the construction site and assembled in a fraction of the time compared to traditional construction methods. Imagine, a project that would have taken months to complete can now be done in weeks. That's the power of prefab modular technology. Another benefit of prefab modular construction is its precision. With advanced 3D modeling technology, architects can design structures down to the millimeter. In the factory, skilled workers use cutting-edge machinery to ensure the highest quality standards are met. And when it's time to assemble the modules on site, teams of experienced builders work together like a well-oiled machine, rapidly erecting the structure with unmatched efficiency. But what about the final result? Well, prefab modular buildings are not only quick and accurate but also stunning and customizable. From sleek modern homes to sustainable eco-friendly structures, prefab modular construction offers endless possibilities. So, if you're thinking about embarking on a construction project, consider the power of prefab modular technology. It's efficient, precise, and showcases cutting-edge design. Contact us and let us show you how